Hi guys, this is Kaz speaking with the Sundance family here. It's Sunday in end of October here on the Canary Islands. It's warm as usually and we plan to do a little hike up the mountains. Let's go guys! Benny's opening the doors. We're ready to go. Katie, you sure we're gonna take the snorkel with us or?
Weil du sollst dann das Tor hinter uns.
All right.
2 Stunden. Magst du nicht? Ich hoffe, das ist nicht.
We're about 10 meters away from the car into our journey and the mood is awesome.
Ja, seht mal, wie cool das aussieht.
Oh!
In Costa Rica haben wir so eine.
Ah, there's a cross, so we're not supposed to go there.
Nicht da lang.
Ja.
Guck, Sofia, ich sehe da hinten sogar 2 Sträucher an dem Baum.
Wo denn?
Ja, bisschen da lang, komm.
Lauf mal weiter einfach.
Ich sehe es.
Oh!
Ja.
Another sign. We are on the right track. This is awesome. We can continue. I'm so glad we have such an awesome pathfinder in our family. I'm really happy about this. Yes. And everybody's following quite nicely. So interesting how Sofia really was not so happy in the beginning and now she's kind of leading the entire group. Everybody's following her with her flow. Here we go. What does it say?
Das ist also auf jeden Fall nicht.
Aha.
Da, ich sehe.
Oh, da ist einer. Zeig mal, wo denn? Wo denn?
Da.
Oh, yes.
Hier geht's lange. Hier geht's auf jeden Fall lang.
After leading us for a good while, Sofia decided as our leader to take a little break. Huh?
Ja.
Yeah. We have to wait until Katie and the rest is catching up anyway. Sofia was going so fast. So now we take a little. Sofia decided we're going to take a little break now.
Ich suche mir einen anderen Wanderstock.
Which is nice. Being grounded, being in the forest.
Auch Hunger. Nicht so viel nehmen. Hunger, nicht so viel nehmen.
Yeah.
Eine Rückentrage haben, dass wir die in Costa Rica gelassen
Yeah.
haben.
And we do not have an ergo carrier with us, which is the normal way of carrying the young ones in the family. But we left it in Costa Rica So Benny, Aro, and myself, we prepared ourselves at some point of the time during the hike to carry Sofia. But so far, she's pretty excited, and it's going well, and she's leading the way. If we do here and there some little breaks and go her speed, so far so good. We'll see how this entire thing continues.
Es geht weiter.
Okay, Sofia tells us to continue. Let's go, huh?
Ja.
Einpacken. Bin noch nicht bereit. Ja, ich weiß, aber we have to follow her flow.
Ja.
Wir müssen uns an sie anpassen, weil sie ist die
Ja, komm, ich laufe dir hinterher.
Aber alle laufen nicht hinterher. Alle laufen mir nicht hinterher. Blau oder rot oder...
Engel nicht vorbei.
Alle sind jetzt immer rot. Da!
Ah,
An den Baumen.
ja, Opsi.
An den Baumen.
Ja, that's another sign.
Das ist gut.
Ja, das finde ich klar. Das stimmt, der Trick, die rennt hier nicht so arg weg.
Almost like, I don't know, 20 minutes later, Sofia is still leading the way. And she's a very responsible guide, taking good care of the group.
Ja, du sagst es gerade, wo alle weg sind.
Ja, stimmt. I'm just saying this while we lost Katie and Luna in the back there. Sophia, let's take a little break, okay? Because Katie, Mama is missing. Sophia, die Mama ist da hinten. Warten wir mal Pause kurz.
Na gut.
Weil die Mama need to wait for Mama.
Sollen wir warten?
Ja, wir machen make a little. We wait.
Machen wir Pause? So ist Pause?
Ja. Ja.
Wenn wir weiterlaufen und
Ja.
dann so lange laufen, dann brauche ich noch mal eine Pause. Das ist nicht die zweite. Da habt ihr geguckt.
Da sind die Chips. Es sei denn, ihr habt sie nicht eingekauft. Und der Jau hat sie auch. Mach den Rucksack erst zu.
Können loslaufen.
We go again? Ah, okay. Sophia's getting fit again. I think we're ready to continue. Let's go with the flow, I say. Joa and Luna just discovered a cave. So they want to go explore the cave. And I'm going to join them, of course. Check this out.
Oh, hier lang ist wieder eine Mauer. Und
Gleich sind wir
jetzt
unten.
kann ich vor.
Jawohl. Now you can go up front again. Yay!
Da unten kommt
Let's
wieder
go.
Frische.
Oh, some more marks down there.
Da unten kommt wieder Frische. Da sind Frische.
Und der ist,
Wir müssen wieder so welche Zeichen finden.
Ja.
Alle mir vor. Da.
Ah, some more. Okay, let's go. Oops. Hey, doggy. Ah, there are some more marks.
Ich hab Frische gesehen.
Yeah, 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 perfect.
Hier geht's lang. Also,
Here, this is the way, exactly.
hier geht's lang. Weil da sind Frische. Hier
Yes.
geht's lang. Weiter geht's.
Kathi, nicht mehr sitzen.
Let's go, Mama. Guys, I have to tell you, this is now it's quite far up. We have been going at least 15 minutes straight up the hill. I feel more exhausted than this little one here. Yeah.
Ich trage dich und du mich.
Okay. She says, Daddy, I'm carrying you and you're carrying me.
Wir haben es gleich getan.
Yeah. All right, another break.
Eine Bälle.
Ready?
Ready.
Lang geht's.
Okay.
Mama, nicht mal Pause.
Okay, jetzt geht's.
Sophia, you did great. You led us all the way here to this main road. Amazing job. Oh,
Hier sind Zeichen.
yes.
Das Gras ist in
Yes.
Dann kann ich vor, da fahren Autos. Hier ist kein Zeichen mehr, Papa.
So now Luna took the lead. We left the main road again. Sophia is with Yaro right now. We have a beautiful view here. Check this out. Oops, what an amazing view. Wow. That's something.
Ich glaube, man kann auf den Berg noch etwas hoch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Es wäre toll,
And Benny, Yaro and I were taking turns in carrying Sophia right now.
ich habe Siedlungen so aus wie... Aber ein Auto habe ich schon mal ein gesehen. Und da war Wind, glaube ich.
Ja.
Coco became a little cold. It's a long path down here, and I'm giving him some warmth, huh, little buddy? I think we're almost there. It looks like this is the village, and we're gonna get some sort of a taxi or transportation now, going uphill to our car again. All right, guys, we did it. This is Don Pedro. All right, these are the last few meters until this white building there and there. All right, we did it. Just ordered the taxi. It's gonna be here in 20 minutes. That's a nice place here at the end of the road, literally. Very nice. Huh? High five. Douche. 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 Und ein großer noch. Bam. Nice. Oh yeah, I forgot this little one. Patch. Trixie, what's up with you? High five. Okay, our taxi just arrived. So Joe and I, we're gonna go now up the hill to get the car and then pick up the family. Let's go. Komm, Joa. There they are. Oh, Trixie looks so cold. Trixie, come to Coco, come to Papa, huh? Come to Papa. Ui.
Den Sitz nach vorne.
Hey. Coco is truly a tropical dog because he hates cold.
Ich will bei Mama sitzen, ne?
Okay, Sophia. Okay.
Kann man das auch in das
Genommen.
Where's the Beutel?
Where's the Beutel?
Where is the Beutel?
Here's the Beutel.
Mama, nicht anschnallen.
Chocolate time now. All right.
Nicht anschnallen, ganz fest.
Yes, you're gonna get your seatbelt.
Nicht anschnallen.
You have to anschnall her.
Yeah. Give me the good, then I can anschnall her.
The good, I can't give you the good.
Give me the good now.
This is in the way.
We feel very, very German right now. Oh ja. Ja. Hier.
Das Sometimes we need to speak the crazy German accent.
Yeah, sometimes it's a crazy German. It's gonna be really crazy. Katie and everybody, maybe let's say bye-bye now. I think this was our vlog for today. Thanks so much for joining us. And if you liked the day with us in the woods, leave us a like and a comment. And we're gonna be seeing you soon, I guess, huh? All right, bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.